Tonight, the Mackenzie Shirilla case enters a new arena. The Strongsville woman convicted of killing 2 people in a 100-mile-per-hour crash is taking her fight to federal court. She argues every lawyer who touched her case failed her.
This was murder.
3 years after a judge called her hell on wheels and sentenced her to life, Mackenzie Shirilla is now asking a federal judge to throw out her murder conviction and order a new trial. A 29-page petition filed Tuesday doesn't just challenge what happened at trial. It argues Shirilla has been failed by a chain of lawyers at every single stage of her case. In the new filing, Shirilla argues her original trial attorney, Jim McDonnell, never presented text messages that could have flipped the prosecution's key narrative, and never called a medical expert about a condition that can cause sudden blackouts behind the wheel. Last year, Shirilla's second attorney, Eric Nemechek, took over her case for the appeal.
In layman's terms, are you basically saying that her defense attorney at trial dropped the ball?
That is one of the arguments. It's called ineffective assistance of counsel.
But now, Nemechek's team is accused of dropping the ball, too. The new federal petition argues his office filed a critical challenge 1 day late by failing to account for 2024 being a leap year. That single missed day led Ohio courts to throw out the case without ever considering its merits.
That's the worst crash I've ever seen.
Shirilla's case has captivated the country. Netflix's documentary, The Crash, became its most watched film this year. And now, a third legal team is in federal court arguing both previous lawyers fell short.
The intent was obvious. There was no attempt to slow down or stop.
Prosecutors declined to comment on the new federal petition. Shirilla won't be eligible for parole until 2037.
Now, last week, her new attorneys also asked an Ohio appeals court to take another look at the case because her previous lawyers missed key arguments. So now Shirilla has challenges in both federal and state court. We'll stay on it.